Warbucks BTC, warbucksbtc.com. Today, I'm going to show you guys a little quick walkthrough. Been getting a lot of questions about trading, answering some of those questions here on Warbucks BTC, how you can trade crypto through the Warbucks PropFirm. If you don't know what a PropFirm is, basically Warbucks is a company. We give funding, right? We give people money to trade with. If you trade and you follow the rules, you then get payouts. We've got instant funded accounts and we've got evals as well. It's crypto funding made killer. Very similar to how the futures prop firms work. You take a challenge, you buy an instant funded account, you then get paid. You can see here, just an example, the 50K account, it's $389, currently 30% off. You have a step one goal of the eval to make $5,000. You got a 33% consistency rule, total max loss of $3,000, and then max daily loss $2,000. And then the instant funded account, there is no daily loss limit. You have a $4,000 max total loss, and the trader keeps 80%. So 33% consistency there as well, and that's kind of the breakdown of the different plans. We got a 5K account. The 5K account is only $40 for the one step, $55 for the instant funding. If we come over here and we look at kind of what you get on the back end, so this is a $25,000 instant funding account, and you can kind of see kind of the results so far of trading it, where we're at. If you want to see, people ask me, like, how do I find out what my consistency is at? Well, if you go to your dashboard, you scroll down, it'll show you kind of what my max loss, the max that I can lose. At this point, I can't go below 23,000. So obviously a $25,000 account. I've got this much room for my total max loss. And then my payout consistency. So right now, my highest profit day was $5,000. My current total profit is $6,000. Now, obviously, that means I've got to make more money to get a payout. So I need to make $17,000. Guys, there is no profit target per se. There's a minimum of $100 payout, right? So that means that you can get a $100 payout if you want. You trade for 4 days, 4 days, make $30 a day, 30. Well, then you get a $100 payout there. So there is no like profit target once you're funded. It really just comes down to the consistency rule of being the 33%. Now, let's say you take a payout. Your consistency then kind of goes back to like, hey, how much money do you have left in the account and all of that. So when you're taking a payout, that consistency is then going to look at your current balance, and you've obviously got to make, 33% consistency to get the next payout. So I would say, obviously, the key here is 33% consistency. That's the moral of the story. You can see right now some of the other traders out there. Patrick Whelan right there, number 6 right now. Hey, I've blown a few accounts, but we're going to get to the top again. We're going to get back up there. This guy right here, he's got a 25K account. He's up $14,000, 57% gain there as well. So we got some action. We got a lot of traders trading. You can trade 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, and I'll show you the platform here. So this is the platform we're using. DXTrade, GUI Trade is their kind of like the name for their web-based platform. They've also got the mobile, right? They've got a mobile here. I really like the mobile app. The mobile app works really well. It's simple. It's easy. I don't know if you guys can even see it here, but basically, mobile app, go there, select, and then you can trade basically like you have trading view charts on your phone. So we have the mobile app as well. Got a lot of different coins on there. You can see all of that fun stuff right now. Warbucks, 30% off since we just launched. Not sure how much longer that's going to go on for, but you can see right now kind of my stats. So we've got the different options. You got my trading account. It's going to show if you have any, trades open and all that. The actual charts that we're using are very, very, I think they're pretty much TradingView charts that are built into the platform. So if you're using TradingView, if you're used to using TradingView, it's very similar. Now, this is kind of the chart that I use. I've got, what EMA is that? Yeah, I've got the 9 EMA on my chart. This is Ethereum. So in terms of the sizing, right, the way that this works, when you put on a trade, let's say I want to buy. Let's just for example, let's say we'll buy one, right? Let's buy one coin right here. I'm filled. I would suggest to use a limit order. If you want to get filled, you go like this, right? Press on there, press buy limit order. But let's show you how to take profit. You're not going to press sell, right? You're not going to press sell because this is opening a position. You're going to actually make sure that you manage the position on that. So I can go and press this to take profit. That is where my take profit limit order is. You see, I just added that. Okay, we just took profit for $5. I'm not sure if that was actually profitable or not with the commissions, but that was one coin. We got long at 34. We got out there at 39. You guys saw that trade. So again, I would suggest using limit orders. Don't go crazy, guys. The goal here is consistency, right? You don't need to scalp every little move in the market. Focus on the bigger, higher time frames. Use those limit orders. Be patient. You don't need to trade every little move. Sit back, wait for the right setups. And then also, I think you got to kind of put your targets and be like, hey, this is what I'm looking for. You can see I took a trade there with 40 Ethereum coins from the 3,067 up there to the 3,114. I took a short here the other day. The bear flags and bull flags, it's the same thing, man. Crypto, Ethereum, Bitcoin, NASDAQ, Apple, Amazon, bull flags, bear flags. We're trading the same exact thing. So in terms of sizing, right, depending on how big your account is, you got to look at it like this. With Bitcoin, you have 5-to-1. With Ethereum, you have 5-to-1. With like Solana and other coins like that, the smaller coins, you get 2-to-1 leverage. So think about it like I've got a $30,000 account. If I get 5-to-1, that basically means that I've got like $150,000 worth of buying power. So depending on my sizing, where I want to be sizing wise, again, I don't need a big, massive win every day. Consistency, guys, consistency. Don't be afraid to be consistent. So that's kind of, that's the execution. Again, you just put your order. You can let's say I want to get short up here. So I can put a sell limit order and then it just sends it and puts it right there. And that would be waiting to get filled. Again, when you place an order, you're not getting long, you're not buying and then pressing the sell button to sell. Once that trade is open, you want to set your targets, right? So let's say I put a buy limit order down here, right there, right? 105. Now let's say let's say I'm gonna leave this, right? I'm just gonna walk away. I'm gonna put my profit target up there. I'm gonna put my stop loss down there. So now everything is set. It's all ready to go. If that order gets filled, my stop loss would be there. My take profit would be up there. Again, let's just, for example, if this was, let's say we get filled, we didn't get to my profit target. Well, what I would do is, let's say I want to close the trade. I want to close the trade. How do I close it? Well, I just press the X right there, X to close it. Now, someone's like, well, how much sizing should I take? With a 25K account, I normally take around 15 to 20 coins. It really depends on the coin that you're trading, right? The value of the coin. If you're trading some of the smaller coins, if you're trading XRP and all that, it's going to be different. Bitcoin, 5-to-1 leverage. Ethereum, 5-to-1. XRP, Avalanche, all those other coins, Litecoin, Solana, that's going to be 2-to-1, and kind of have that whole breakdown there. So I mean, it's very just, I would say, normal to what everybody's used to trading with TradingView. You've got all your drawing stuff over there on the side, simple, easy, bang, bang, bang. You can draw whatever you want, chart it out there, and all that stuff. Like I said, we have the mobile, we have the desktop. It's web-based. You don't need a fancy desktop trading computer to trade crypto, and you can start trading today for as little as $55 for the instant funded or $40 for the one step. Our most popular 50K account is $449 instant funded. That 30% off it's off. You can buy multiple accounts as well. It's just you can't copy trade them. But let's say you wanted to buy a 50K and you wanted to buy a 10K account. You could do that. The max allocation of accounts is 380,000. So you basically can get each size account, and you got this. You could buy like one step, instant funded, get all crazy and wild there. But that's the breakdown of. Look, now that's pumping, man. I could have held that long there. Oh Lord, look at that pump right now. Oh, it's getting crazy. It's gonna be a wild day. It's Mega Money Mondays right now. Kind of changing the different time frames. I like the bigger time frames. If you're going to trade crypto, the 1 minute chart can just be very, very nasty. You want to be patient. Like I said, don't go trying to trade every little move. Like, look at this. From 4 o'clock till 6 o'clock, we went absolutely sideways there. So wait for those setups. Be patient. Trade the consistency. You don't need to make a million. Oh, look at that thing pumping right now. The bull flag there on the 1 minute chart from the 38s now up there to the 57s. So that's kind of just how it is trading crypto. It gets wild, it gets crazy, it starts moving, and look at that, pumping right back up. It pulled back, it pumped up, and that's kind of the breakdown. Warbucks BTC. Follow the rules, get paid, start trading crypto. Crypto trades basically 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, and that's it. Warbucks BTC. Let me know down below. Are you interested in trading Bitcoin cryptocurrency, or well, are you just gonna stick to trading futures? That's all I got. See y'all later on. WarbucksBTC.com. No codes needed. 30% off, 33% consistency rule. Hey!